Okay folks, just when the bench is out and everything's up and it's all going, I made that wee boy there. And he's for in here. See where I painted him and all? To be honest with you, and I'm painted black. A fucking woman. Oh, that'll not do. You need a painted blue. Not to painted blue.
Absolutely.
Anyhow, this here is to hold the ramps. And all I've done was cut a bit of an angle on it. And instead of them sitting down there, this boy here will sit up in there. And he nearly sit himself, but I'm going to put a wee bracket in there and a wee bracket. And then I'll lift this boy here. I'll pop him on up there. And he'll nearly sit in his own, maybe. Oh, he will sit in his own, but you need the bracket on it. And then I'll get a wee bungee, put him up round, maybe just one, that's all it'll take. So that's that job done. So that leaves that if I get a table or a chair or whatever. I'm not taking up the whole back of the van. So all that's left for us to do now is to put in 2 struts, put in the plywood, a mattress, some blankets. That sort of way. It takes about 50, it doesn't, it takes 10 minutes I say to put them in. So and I have this cupboard. So the only thing left here now is one more cupboard to make, and it's a fairly big one down this side here, and that's the van finished. We'll probably go away for a couple of weeks on it just to find out, get our bearings, because we're not really used to this carry on. Just again see what water we're using, what gas we're using, what else you do. But to be honest with you, there's a ball of stories in these vans for 2 people. I don't know what everybody's putting all these big shelves in for. I know I'm happy enough. We'll never fill them, but my woman will fill them.
That's why you need shelves.
Oh, fuck, she'd fill them. But I don't need that much.
You'd think that.
Anyhow, that's that wee boy there. He's sitting his own. These are nice and tidy and compact. Okay, folks. Hopefully that was something useful for somebody.
Alright folks, so this is our boot. Look at the size of that, it's huge. It's actually the size of our bed, a 4-foot bed, plus the extra shelf that Eddie has out the back.
Want to get a size on it?
But, okay, men and their bungees.
Hard a bit. I'm only putting one on too.
I know.
Because it's going to be too hard to put, there's going to be a strut across. So at least I can get one here. And that there.
It's very solid anyway.
That's going nowhere.
Yeah.
So,
very good.
But my size of my boot, to give you an idea,
boot, yeah.
It's 1450. Alright. Oh, it's a container maker.
Yeah, 1450.
1450, and it's roughly.
Yeah, between wheel arches.
Between the arches there, I suppose.
Well, that's just general.
1400.
14. So basic square.
Basically 1450.
Decent square space. Yeah.
Well, the chairs maybe sometime we get them in there.
Yeah, or wee table maybe.
A wee table. Yeah. And I don't know what else we'll need.
Throw a grandchild in.
Oh, yes.
I'm only calling. I'm only messing.
And there's our, what do you call it? Our units up there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah. Long awaited. Job.
One more job to do.
Nearly finished. Just to talk him into doing another one on this side. But great job that, and as I said, very happy not having doors. Just my wee baskets for all that we need, you know. Good job.
Okay folks, this is going to set in the frame of the mattress. The frame for the mattress, I should have said. No, I don't, that's the box I put in.
I don't know what gem goes in there.
Ah, see if there's any one that can go in.
Oh well, true enough, true enough. Okay folks, please note underneath that is painted blue as well. So the ceiling of our garage is blue.
Should have put that in first.
Back to it, battery died, back to it.
That's it.
I'm ready for an adventure.
That woman is me fucking tortured by. So that's the box in.
Bilbo Baggins, eat your heart out.
I'll just throw a bit of a close on it and that's us ready for action.
Yep.
Happy?
Very.
Happy wife, happy fucking life, that's all I do now.
Right.
Good luck. Talk to you later on. Good luck. There's my wee bungee in there. I have only one on it, you can't really see. But I have it only one for a reason. It says he clipped out and pulled out, and that'll stay there, it's good enough. Okay folks, all the best for now. Talk to you again later.
Okay folks, so we'll have it ready for off now. Now, just to convince this man to go for a spin, just to check out for rattles, you know, they'll crack yourself. So up above we have the cover. I made all the curtains, there's only 2 yokes for the vans. That's for the sliding door. That is for the cover down at night here. And then we'll have the table up in there. You can hardly see it, but that's the way I like it. Things nice and tidy and out of the way. And then the roller blinds, and as you've seen, the chairs, the bed, all made up, as I said, ready to go. and then the unit's in today. So I have a few bits and pieces up in there, and I have the wee blanket at the end, just in case I get chilly at night, which it happens. And you've all seen this before, you know, my wee kitchen and the cooker. Yeah, and just like everybody else, I have to put tea towels and what have you in to stop rattles. And the fridge, it goes in there. That's the entrance into the garage area, which is huge. The previous video was huge. And our wee steps, they're lovely tidy wee steps and just perfect height for getting into bed, and for me perching on if I'm looking to rattle around inside the fridge, you know, and you have a sore back, many a thing you'll do. So that's it, and that's the wee bench, and in underneath then the bench there's the loo, which is just invaluable, and again only for emergencies, but still in all it's good to know it's there. And that's the doggies' wee water bowl, and that's basically it. I'm ready for the road anytime. Now just talk to this man of mine. So, oh yeah, just a reminder, there's still another cupboard to go in around here to sort of tidy up this wee area, and maybe like wee shelves across there, so we can put, you know, the children can put wee books or their wee knickknacks whenever we're heading off with them.
Yeah, missus.
So, yeah.
Sort it. There's your drawing.
That's, oh, Kexie can get it. Yeah, that was the original wee drawing that I had sort of sketched up for him. He didn't do too bad a job, now I have to say. Dreams into reality, isn't that what they say? Have to do some sweet talking to get away. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. Okay, right, bye. Well folks, as you can see, we took ourselves away off to the NEC for a day, and we landed in very early in the morning at about 7 o'clock, and as you see there's not a soul about. I ended up over there to get a wee coffee, and Eddie took himself off for a walk. There wasn't a soul, as you see, about, and we had a couple of hours to kill until the show opened. Now, Adventure had this lovely van outside the exhibition hall, and Eddie was quite taken with it, for this piece popped out of the back of it, and look at the finish inside. So just a nice smidgen of 130,000 pounds for it. Oh, there he is, his head stuck into the boot of a van, as you do, and I'm standing beside this big yoke. He loves these expedition yokes. I don't think you realise how big these are. I would really need a set of steps to get up to the step, and either that or a winch. Look at that, huge, absolutely gorgeous though. So yeah, there's another big expedition, not exhibition. Well, it was exhibition. Anyway, another one just keeps getting better and better, and then getting bigger and bigger as well. Into the buses now. Yeah, no, there was a big queue to get in to see it. I decided, no, not for me. Now this was for me, the cutest little go pod. It and the barefoot caravans were just gorgeous. And yeah, I thought it was lovely. Oh, there I am peeking out. You see the door shut? He decided to just leave me in there. I'm surprised I'm still not there, mind you. It was just lovely. So there you go folks, a wee quick rundown for our wee ventures away.